Have you ever wondered how commercial yogurt is being made? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that in simple steps. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do your own culture, your own unique culture, how to ferment your yogurt, how to package your yogurt, and how to preserve your yogurt. The very first steps in making yogurt is making your own unique culture. So to make this culture, get a bowl and measure out powdered milk 250 grams, which is 1 full cup of milk. Add 2 cups of water to the milk and mix it together. Then place it in a clean pot. Forget about my own pot. I'm using my cooking pot. When making yogurt for commercial purpose, please always use a separate pot. So put it in a pot and bring it to boil. Okay, I forgot to show where I boiled it, but bring it to a boil, but not like boiling. Once it starts to simmer, just off the fire. Okay, then transfer into another bowl and allow it to cool down until you put your hand inside and it's not really very hot. Okay, don't let it cool down completely, no, because at this stage you are going to add the culture, which is I'm actually using Yogourmet. Yogourmet has a very good taste. All right, so once it has cooled down, I don't want to start mentioning the thermometer days because I don't use thermometer, so I do it in the traditional way. All right, so just put your finger into the milk. If it's not too hot and it's not cold, then it's ready, because you cannot ferment the milk to become a culture in a cold milk. No, that warmness is what will help the good bacteria in culture to multiply. So from what I'm doing, you don't just add the culture directly into the milk. No, take out some liquid from the milk and mix in the culture, the Yogourmet in it. Dissolve it properly before you now transfer it to the main milk. Okay, right now we still call it milk. It's not culture yet. So once you stir it together, cover with a cling film. Right here I didn't really have a cling film, but I got some later. I improvised. Okay, so cover with cling film or anything you can cover with, and keep it for good 10 hours or preferably overnight. So the next day, this is how it looks like. It has thickened, it has formed the culture. This is what we'll be using to produce our yogurt. So this culture right here is like 500 ml of culture, which can produce like 8 liters of yogurt. Yes, you heard me right. So right now I want to go ahead and make 1 liter yogurt, because I'm producing this just for myself only. It's not for commercial purposes. Okay, that's why I'm using all the old pot I have in the house. Please pardon me. Hey, God. So in a clean pot, add 2 cups of powdered milk. Then you add 4 cups of water. Okay, it depends on how you want the thickness of your yogurt. Some people, they want to get more profits, so they can add as many as 6 cups to get more profit, or even more than that. But if you want to taste your yogurt, if you want to like enjoy your yogurt, just do 2 cups of milk to 4 cups of water. Then you will get a very good yogurt, not very runny. Okay, it's going to be very thick. Stir continuously, if not it will curdle. As you can see, it's beginning to bubble, so I brought it down, and now I'm going to transfer it to a clean bowl for it to cool down. To me, it's safer to use a sieve to pour the hot milk in a clean bowl. But if you forget this step, it doesn't matter. I mean, you will still sieve it again when the clothes has formed on top of it, because that you can never avoid. So to know if it's ready for the culture to go in, just dip your hand inside, or whatever method you want to use. If it's not too hot and it's not cold, then it's the right temperature to add your culture. Mind you, the temperature of the milk is what will help the culture, the bacteria in the culture, to multiply. Okay, so make sure you're using the right temperature so you don't end up wasting your material. So here I've added the culture. For these 2 cups of milk, 4 cups of water, you should add 4 tablespoons of culture. Okay, it's good to make your own culture so you have your own taste. I don't like buying yogurt from the supermarket to use and make my yogurt. It will end up tasting like the yogurt I bought from the supermarket. So that's why it's good to make your own culture from scratch. You see, it doesn't take time. Anyway, if you want to learn how to make a culture with lemon or chili pepper, let me know in the comment section, okay? And I will show you how to do it. All right, it takes a little longer to produce a good culture than when you're using the proper culture made for yogurt, which is Yogourmet, or there are a lot of cultures out there. Okay, they even have Yomi 211 or Yomi 11 something, I've forgotten. All right, so after 10 hours of fermentation, I normally make my yogurt in the night so that I can sleep and wake up and it's ready. So after 10 hours of fermentation in a warm place, this is what it looks like. Can you see how thick it's looking? This yogurt is delicious. There is nothing like making things for yourself in the house. You know how you made it. It's so good. This is something you should try at home. You have milk in the house, you have water in the house, and you can find culture from any of the cake accessories or bakery shops, baking accessories or something. You can always find it there. But if not, I can still show you how you can do with lemon. So once you bring it out, just mix it together with your whisk and to become smooth, because this one is drinkable yogurt, like the regular yogurt you buy from anywhere. This is not a Greek yogurt. This is a regular yogurt, so you don't need to sieve out the whey, which is the water that settles on top of it when you bring it out from the warm place. So all you need to do is just to use your whisk and whisk it together. Add your vanilla flavor or any flavor of your choice. Now, this is the preservative I use for my yogurt. Normally, when I'm making yogurt in the house, I don't really use it, but just for this video's sake, I wanted to show you. So for this recipe, I use 1 gram of sodium benzoate. I'm not sure if I pronounced it very well, but you saw it on the screen. So just dilute it with normal water, because you don't have to pour it directly to the milk. Dilute it with normal water, then pour it inside your yogurt. Yes, and stir together. But because I promised you guys 2 flavored yogurt, so in this video I decided to make vanilla and Nutella, because I have Nutella in the house. Guys, the same process of making a Nutella and vanilla is the same process. You can still do your strawberry or banana or almond. You can use almond milk when you're doing yogurt. All right, so this is how it is. Just mix things together. You can experiment. There's no harm in doing some experiments to know what works for you. But for the commercial strawberry yogurt, you have to mix the red powdered red color in water. Make sure it's in a liquid form. Then you add it inside your yogurt to get the color, the kind of pink you want. Then instead of using vanilla essence or vanilla flavor, you use strawberry flavor. Okay, that's how to make commercial strawberry yogurt. But if you're using it in the house, you can easily chop up some strawberries or blend it and mix it to get that freshness from strawberry. natural flavor instead of using the extracts. But for commercial purpose, using a raw fruit to make a yogurt, it will not last though. Don't do it. It won't last. All right, so this is my vanilla yogurt. In this video I'm using a 350 ml bottle. It's brand new bottle. I've not used it. I normally use them for my fresh fruit juice at the shop. So for this video I decided to waste 3 just to show you guys that you can do this and sell from your house. You see, once you just cover it, you've corked it, nobody can open it again unless the person wants to drink it, and once you open it you cannot seal it back again. So that's how it is. So for the Nutella, I just added them 1 tablespoon of Nutella. You can add more depending on how your taste bud, is it taste bud you call it, depends on how your taste bud is, you know. So I added only 1 tablespoon just for this video's sake. Oh, did I mention that my stepson, he likes anything chocolate? So I think I remembered him and said, okay, let me do this one for Prince. All right, so this is it. This is how I do it. Okay, I mean, these days you can't just say I'm a graduate, I have no job, I have not that. Come on, when you come to YouTube, you can learn a lot of skills. People like us are willing to give out free things. This yogurt I'm just showing you right now, I know how much I paid in Naira to learn it. Okay, and here I am giving it to you for free. So the best you can do for me is just to if this video is, you find it interesting, you like it, please just leave me a like. If you have not subscribed, just subscribe, please. This is how you can support me. Okay, let's make this page grow. So for the packaging, I don't really do yogurt right now, even though I plan to do it in the future, but I'm using the stickers I use for cake, you know, just to show you how you can do it. Okay, so this is the outcome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget, like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.